Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program to get unique values from a list using sets. Okay, so this is my list. It has 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 4, 5. These are the elements of this list, and there are duplicates. You see, there are two number 2s and two number 4s there. Okay. We would like to remove duplicates and we would like to have only unique values. So this is the expected output for us. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so the duplicates must be removed. And because we want to do this, I type down the print function. I type down the message unique values colon. Then I call the unique values function and I'm passing the list as the argument. I use the def keyword in order to initialize and create my function. This function is going to basically convert this list to a set. And one of the features of sets is that they do not allow duplicates. So when we convert the list into a set, automatically duplicates are removed. Therefore, when I run this code, I see that I'm having a set of unique values. Okay, so this is how we can easily get rid of the duplicates. But if we want to also have list in the output, for example, here you see that we are having a set in the output, but if we want to have a list in the output, we can use the list function. So I'm first converting my list to a set and everything is okay. So we saw the output, duplicates are removed. So that's the end of the program. But if it is obligatory to have a list as the output, we can further convert the created set to another list again using the list function. So basically, first I use the set function and type down the name of my list. So this list is being converted to a set and it is automatically getting rid of the duplicates. So this is the end of the program if we are okay to have an output with a set. Okay. But if this is, for example, a force that we are looking for a list in the output, we can use the list function by typing down the keyword list and put everything in the parentheses. Therefore, it is going to convert the created set, which already got rid of the duplicates, to another list. So when I run the code, I see that I'm having a list here and we got rid of the duplicates. Thank you for watching.